Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I welcome all of you to online classes arranged by Faridpur Government Girls High School. Today I am S.M. Kobirujaman going to have a class on English first paper for class 7. Dear students, you know the world is getting warm and warmer. Do you know why the earth is becoming hot? You know the earth is becoming hot because of greenhouse, and today we are going to know about greenhouse. Let's see from the last part of our textbook, unit 9, lesson 3a, greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. Greenhouse is a new name. Greenhouse is a house. It is made of glass, and there are more informations about greenhouse. Let's read the passage out first. I hope all of you are ready with your textbook. Unit 9, lesson 3a, greenhouse effect. I am reading the passage out and then we'll discuss about it. Listen to me carefully. A greenhouse is a house made of glass. It has glass walls and a glass roof. People grow vegetables, flowers, and other plants in them. A greenhouse stays warm inside even during winter. During the daylight hours, a greenhouse gets warmer and warmer and stays pretty warm at night too. This is because the heat received from the sun is trapped inside the greenhouse by the glass. The earth is also like a greenhouse. During the day, earth's surface warms up in the sunlight, and at night the surface cools, releasing the heat back into the air. But some of the heat is trapped by gases like carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. These gases, called greenhouse gases, work like a glass wall and the roof and keep the earth warm. This is global warming, and it is making the earth a dangerous planet. Unfortunately, we are making the earth too hot. We are using oil, gas, and coal for running cars, buses, trains, planes, power stations, and so on. These fuels have carbon in them. These carbon and other gases trap the heat in the atmosphere and do not allow the earth to cool down. As a result, the earth gets hotter. We have got three parts of this passage. We can see in the first part, the introduction of greenhouse has been given. And in the second part of the passage, what is like greenhouse? That is, our earth. Our earth is like greenhouse. That is, our earth has been compared to greenhouse. And in the third part of the passage, who is responsible and how has been described in part 3. We can see greenhouse is a house made of glass. In one word, what is greenhouse? Greenhouse is a house made of glass. That is, greenhouse is a glass made house. Then comes the question, why this house? Man makes houses using various materials But why glasses are used for making house? There is an special aims and objectives of making greenhouse. You know, we can easily grow plants in our country because the weather of our country and many other countries is hot and hotter. But some of the countries like European countries and so on, there is excessive cold. Because of excessive cold, plants cannot grow in that countries, and in those countries the alternative way of growing plant is greenhouse. Now is the question how greenhouse works. A greenhouse stays warm inside even during winter. During the daylight hours, greenhouse gets warmer and warmer. You know, when there is sunlight, the days become hot and hotter. But it is supposed to go back this heat at daytime. But because of some gases like carbon dioxide, this heat cannot go back and they are trapped in the atmosphere, and because of this trapping our earth is becoming hotter and hotter, and this is greenhouse system. In part 2, the earth is also like a greenhouse. Why? The earth is also like a greenhouse. The earth is also like a greenhouse because, as we have seen, in the greenhouse, inside the greenhouse, sun's rays or sun's heat is trapped. Because of glass wall and roof, this trapped heat cannot go outside and stays inside the greenhouse, and that helps to grow green plants. And because of growing green plants, perhaps it has been named greenhouse. Why the earth is like a greenhouse? The earth is like a greenhouse because in the earth, the earth gets sun's heat from at daytime. At daytime, the earth gets heat from the sun, and this heat is supposed to go back at night in the air. But because of a gas like carbon dioxide, this heat cannot go back to the air and the earth becomes hotter. As these greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide doing the same purpose of glass house or greenhouse, the earth is compared to greenhouse. Now the question, from where this carbon dioxide or greenhouse gases come from? Unfortunately, we are making the earth too hot. That is, we are making the earth too hot. That is, we are responsible for making the earth too hot or greenhouse effect. How? We are using oil, gas and coals for running cars, buses, trains, planes, power stations and so on. These fuels have carbon in them. This carbon and other gases trap the heat in the atmosphere and do not allow the earth to cool down. As a result, the earth gets hotter. How man is responsible for greenhouse effect? Because of various purposes, we are using various fuels like oil, gas and so on. When we burn these fuels for various purposes, carbon dioxide, this fuels release carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide is accumulated in the atmosphere and work like a greenhouse. So if we use fuel considering this problem, we will be able to overcome this problem. And as it depends on man's using, so we the men are responsible for greenhouse effect. Let's see some new words inside, like greenhouse. We have already told greenhouse is a house which is specially made for growing plants inside. And this type of greenhouse is used especially in the cold countries. Greenhouse means house made of glass or warm. Warm. We know a word hot. Warm. The synonym of the word warm is hot. The earth is becoming hotter, that is, the earth is becoming warmer. Pretty, one other word is pretty, P-R-E-T-T-Y. Pretty. It says pretty warm. That is, pretty warm means, pretty means nice, attractive, etc. Pretty. Trough. Very often we hear the word trough. Trough is a tool which is used for catching a bird or animal. We know for catching a bird or animal we will use trough. Trough is a special type of tools. Trap, here trap means blocked. Trap means blocked. Trapped means blocked. Trap, blocked. Surface. The outer side. Surface means outer side. Outer side is surface. The earth's surface, that is the outer part of the earth or the world. Dangerous. Dangerous means which is not safe. Which is not safe is dangerous. That is unsafe. The another meaning of dangerous is unsafe, which is not safe. Unsafe, dangerous. Allow. Allow. Suppose I wanted to go to Dhaka, but my parents did not allow me. My parents didn't allow me. That is, give permission. Allow means give permission or permit. Allow means permit or give permission. Allow. Release. Release. Discharge. Release means discharge or let loose. Let loose. Atmosphere. Atmosphere, that is the layers of air. Layers of air is atmosphere. The another synonym of atmosphere is environment. We can say also say environment, atmosphere. Stay. Stay. Stay means keep on or exist. Stay. These are some of the new words. Now we can go for some answering questions. You know, in the same passage, in the same or different passage of the textbook, we have to answer some questions. We'll have to answer 5 questions. And now we are going to practice on some questions. If the first questions come, what is greenhouse and why is it used? What is greenhouse and why is it used? Second question may come, why is our art compared to a greenhouse? Why is our art compared to a greenhouse? Number 3 may come, who is responsible for greenhouse and how? Let's discuss on 3 questions. First question is, what is greenhouse and why is it used? We have already learnt greenhouse is a special kind of house made of glass. In another word, greenhouse is a glass made house. Especially it is made in the cold countries, where there is excessive cold. And why is it used? This greenhouse is used for growing plants, green plant inside, as in the cold countries plants cannot grow naturally. There is alternative way of growing plants inside the house, and this is greenhouse. Number 2, why is our earth compared to greenhouse? Our earth is compared to greenhouse because our earth does the same work as greenhouse do. Our earth does the same as greenhouse do. As the greenhouse and the earth do the same purpose, or serve the same purpose, our earth is compared to greenhouse. In short, we can answer like this. Who is responsible for greenhouse and how or why? We have already known man is responsible for greenhouse. Man, that is, men who are living on this earth, who are living in this world, are responsible for greenhouse. How? Because man is using various kinds of fuels, and those fuels contains carbon dioxide or greenhouse gases. When they are used in various purposes, or when the fuels are burned for various purposes, carbon dioxide gases are released and they are accumulated in the atmosphere and does the work of greenhouse. So we can say man is responsible for greenhouse, and we have also said how man is responsible. So if we become more conscious about the Earth's environment, will exist in the world. On the other hand, if we don't consider these problems, once upon a time we may be banished from this world. So for the better condition of the world or earth, we should think about the problem of the greenhouse. Thank you very much. This is all for today.